Peacekeepers are also helping children learn far beyond its borders. For this story, we're spotlighting how Vietnamese peacemakers or peacekeepers from engineering company Rotation 4, serving with the United Nations Interim Security Force for Abyei, are helping make the educational dream for the community here a reality through hands-on lessons that build skills, confidence, and hope.
Many children in Abyei attend school without enough desks or chairs. To help, Vietnamese peacekeepers have turned their carpentry and mechanical workshops into classrooms, where students learn to measure, build, and assemble their own desks.
This has been a wonderful experience. We now have desks to study at, and we've also learned practical skills in how to stay strong in difficult times.
In Bentiu, nearly 500 pupils at the Sunshine Primary School study in challenging conditions with limited health facilities. Vietnam's Level 2 Field Hospital Rotation 7 has donated a school medicine cabinet and taught students basic first aid and disease prevention.
Because some people are in bad condition all the time, then we didn't have any first aid like we did here. So we will be happy to have all these things.
From workshops in Abyei to school health support in Bentiu, Vietnam's Blue Berets are doing more than providing aid. They are giving children practical skills, better protection, and renewed hope for the future.